Now let's see this problem. A land worth rupees 9 lakhs is to be shared between 3 persons, Ram, Shyam and Shiva, in 5:3:1 respectively. Then what is the difference between the shares of Ram and Shyam? So there are two ways of solving it. I'll just show you both of them. Now one way is, we know that, see, they are asking about Ram and Shyam. So what we could do is find out the Ram's part. So it is given that 5:3:1 is given. So Ram will get 5 by, see, this part is belonging to Ram, right? And out of how much? 5 by 5 plus 3 plus 1. So which is nothing but 9. 5 by 9 into 9 lakhs. So how much is this? 5 lakhs. So Ram is going to get 5 lakh rupees. What about Shyam? Now Shyam is going to get 3 parts, isn't it? Therefore 3 out of 9 parts will be received by Shyam, and the total amount is 9 lakhs, and so you are going to get, Shyam is going to get 3 lakhs, right? Now what is the difference? The difference between the shares is going to be 2 lakhs, okay? So the difference is 2 lakhs. Okay, this is one way of solving it. Other way of solving it is, you can find out the difference in the parts here itself. So it is given that 5:3:1 is given. Now the difference is nothing but 2 parts. If you can find out the value of one part, it is over. See, totally how many parts are there? 5 plus 3 plus 1, which means 9 parts. So 9 parts is equivalent to 90 lakhs or 9 lakhs, right? 9 parts is equal to 9 lakhs. Then what about one part? One part is equivalent to 1 lakh, isn't it? If 9 parts is 9 lakhs, then one part will be 1 lakh. Divide both sides with 9. Now you found out what one part is. Now the difference between 2 parts, see, difference between these two is nothing but 2 parts, right? Therefore what will be the 2 parts? 2 parts is 2 lakhs. That's it, right? So you can either use this method or that method. Now in this method you might have to divide. In case if this number is very big, then you might have to divide it and do it. And here if you can find out one part, one division, then you can directly find it out. So this is bit complex in terms of computation. This is simpler. See, here the numbers are easy, but then if numbers would have been bigger, then this would have been a better method. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.